Hello and good day wherever you're watching this video from, anywhere in the country. I know UK and Canada sometimes follows us as well. This is Robert Dunbar. Guys, I'm extremely excited. You know it's time. We've got a little bit more than 24 hours left till our launch for BAPS 2002, which is our business autopilot summit, guys. So we are super excited, guys. We've got 16 hours of training, 4 days. We've got 4 coaches for 4 days, training for 16 hours on everything from automating your business to organizing your business to email scripting, sending out the correct emails in a timely manner. We're going to even discuss when you should be doing specific income producing activities so that it benefits you the most. So throughout this video, which is going to be a very short video, you're going to see right below me the dates, right? But I am going to mention them, but below me right now, you should be seeing the dates for our BAPS 2002 Autopilot Summit. This is our national conference for business owners and people looking to get into business so we can automate and organize your business. So we're going to get started on day one, which is Thursday, the 19th of May, 2002. And what we're going to be doing is 2 hours of preparation, right? We're going to find out who our audience is. We're going to do some whiteboard exercises. And from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock Eastern time, we are going to be developing a relationship with the audience for our summit. On Friday the 20th, May 20th, 2022, we are going to have another 2-hour session, which is going to be from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to start introducing what software and apps you should be having on your phone, laptop, and tablets to make sure that you can follow us throughout this training. We're going to talk to you about the breakout rooms we're going to be doing as we talk about the social media training aspect of BAPS 2022. On Saturday, we are going to get together from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time, and we are going to get right into the meat of everything we're talking about. We're going to really be going into automation, organization, talking about using CRMs, talking about using task managers, everything you need from Google Apps to organizing and automating your email to knowing how to send out personalized emails and really making use of your personalized email signature if you have more than one business. So everything from branding to social media will all be happening. On Sunday, we're going to also have another session from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time, which is another 6 hours. So 2 hours on Thursday, 2 hours on Friday, 6 hours on Saturday, 6 hours on Sunday. And within all of this business automation, right, this business organization, we are going to have one of our coaches, which is going to be Coach Branch, who is out of Phoenix, Arizona. He's going to be talking about mindset. He's going to be talking about how to deal with the anti-you for those who are getting in your own way, for those that are self-sabotaging. We're going to be addressing those things. How to deal with triggers, right? Managing your triggers and managing the triggers of the people who you do business with and your customers to make sure that you keep that environment full of good energy, right? And he's going to also be talking about 360 degrees success, which is winning in all areas, because we know as a business owner, we have to still make sure that we spend time with our family, that we're having a successful relationship, whether we're having a relationship with God or another person. We want to make sure things outside of our business, right, in our real life is having success as well. So he's going to be touching on those things. So we've got Coach Larry training on sales, and she specifically is going to be doing trainings for women. Now, men can benefit from Coach Larry's training, but she is going to be talking to the women entrepreneurs out here that are over the age of 40. So if you're a woman over the age of 40 and you have not registered, please go down in the description of this video, particularly if you're looking at it on any social media site, or if you're on my YouTube channel taking a look at this video, or on your YouTube channel taking a look at this video. You can go down and you can click and you can register for this training. It is $199. I believe there's a 10% discount in the registration that you can take advantage of as well. If you're a current coaching client of any of the coaches in this Business Autopilot Summit, you get a 25% discount, so you know who you are if you are clients of any of the 4 coaches who are hosting this event. So go down, get registered if you haven't. So Coach Larry talking to the women about sales and CRMs and how to run your business efficiently so you can spend a significant amount of time with your significant other, your children, your family, whatever you're going to do with your time outside of run that successful business that you have. And our very own millennial coach Ariel Simone is going to be talking about social media. She's going to talk about branding yourself, authentic branding, how to brand yourself on social media. She's also going to let you know how you determine what social media platforms you should be taking advantage of based on your schedule and what it is you do with your business. So you're going to get that information as well during the 16-hour summit. Of course, I told you Coach Branch is going to be on the mental health side, on the stability side, you dealing with all of your demons, all of the demons of the people around you, all of the mental things that make your mindset work in a proper way for your business to run efficiently. Coach Branch is going to deal with that. And I am going to be talking about organizing, decluttering, automating your business so that you can go out of the country for a month and your business makes more money. I'm going to also be digging into a little bit on when you should be operating these different things that you're going to learn. So we're going to give you some hands-on tips, tools, hacks. You're going to have worksheets. We're going to do a declaration of intent on the first day so that you commit to yourself. All these things are going to be happening for this 4-day weekend coming up right now. A little bit over 48 hours left before we get started on this. But as we get the declaration of intent done, right, as we get moving in the direction of saying, hey, we need to do this, we need to do that, we're going to show you when you should be doing them, because there's a book written by a great guy named Daniel H. Pink, who wrote a book called When, and I'm using some of his tactics out of there to talk about when you should be implementing, right, these tools, hacks, automation tools, and organization tools to really benefit your business, and for some of you, even benefit the family around you. So guys, Robert Dunbar again here, lead coach and instructor with TVD Coaching and Training. You see me with my automation shirt because that's what it's about, guys. BAPS 2022 automation. We excited, we getting ready. So again, above my head, you probably saw something coming out that would allow you to register. You can go down in the content in the bottom and you can register there as well. And some of you have already gotten emails from me, saw marketing where you can go ahead and get registered. So if you don't know how to register, if you're having a hard time, please reach out. You can reach out at 904-290-2960, 904-290-2960, or you can simply email me at robert@trainingbydunbar.com, robert@trainingbydunbar.com, or you can go right now and comment on this video and I'll see that comment, or somebody from the support team will, and we will make sure we get your question answered so that you can get yourself registered. Again, guys, a little bit more than 48 hours until the launch of our 2002 BAPS Business Autopilot Summit, guys. Automation, organization, where you should be mentally on all these things, and how to up your game on social media. So we look forward to seeing you guys there. Robert Dunbar signing off. See you guys on Thursday evening.